Experiencing internet not working with your Spectrum router? Let's troubleshoot. The problem often lies within three key areas: WAN connectivity, DNS resolution, or DHCP configuration. First, check your router's WAN light. It should be solid green. If not, there's likely an issue with your connection to Spectrum. Then, if websites aren't loading, but you're connected, DNS might be the culprit. Lastly, if your devices show limited connectivity, the problem is likely DHCP. These problems often arise from infrastructure upgrades, overloaded networks with many smart devices, and firmware updates. Fortunately, you can often resolve these issues yourself before calling Spectrum support. Let's go through potential fixes. For WAN issues, ensure your coaxial cable is securely connected. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Spectrum uses DOCSIS 3.1 so make sure your router is compatible. For DNS issues, flush your DNS cache by typing ipconfig flush DNS in command prompt on Windows. Try changing your DNS servers in your router settings, usually at 192.168.11 to Google's public DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. For DHCP issues, reboot your router to force renewal of IP addresses. Check for IP conflicts using arp-a in the command prompt. For persistent issues, consult the My Spectrum app for real-time diagnostics or contact Spectrum support. Stay proactive by keeping your router's firmware updated via the Spectrum app. This allows predictive maintenance alerts and may fix problems related to DNS, DHCP based on usage patterns.